Entlembale opened up about her struggle with divorce. She was at a conference and she was motivating the women there, saying that a divorce is very, very, very hard, but it become easier when you have a village behind you, when you have family, when you have your sisters that you can lean on. And she took them step by step on how they can navigate divorce, especially when it's so draining and emotional, you know. And what I took from this is that Entle Mbali is such a strong woman. I idolize her. She is such a strong woman. You know, there was a time whereby she was called the bitter ex-wife, you know, because she couldn't let go. She kept on talking about her pain and what she was going through. Guys, I remember there was a time where she was working at, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's Uzalo. When she was working at Uzalo, and not Uzalo, man. This one from Zanzi. I can't remember it properly, but I will put the name on the screen when I remember it, right? And she said that she's waiting for that pay because they cut her electricity while her supposed alleged husband, well, her estranged husband at the time was overseas playing big gigs, you know, on yachts. He was living the life while the mother of his children and his children were in darkness, waiting for the mother to get paid. Imagine how hard that must have been. And she was so quiet through all of it. She deserves everything. She deserves that money. Girl, that money is yours. We are behind you. So guys, here's the full video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.
Hard ladies. Let me not lie, divorce for me was easy because I wanted out.
Yeah.
But divorce is a hard thing to walk through if you don't have the support systems I just spoke of. You will fall, you will crumble if you do not have support systems. You will fall and you will crumble if you do not introspect and find what in you was problematic. Now that you have your support system, my mother, my girls, now that you have a great lawyer, you start to remove the people in your life that confuse you. Some people are just there to speak and say, who is it? Who depressed?